This is the 1997 Honda StepWagon. It has 44,071 original miles. It has the B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 front doors and 1 rear sliding door. It also comes with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers. It's the number you're seeing up here, 70,928. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 44,071. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and start with the driver's side. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. Have a blessed and safe day.